getting breakfast. We don't know where yet. But this is what we're trying to do. Look for a place to eat breakfast.
So we're here now, touchdown after like 6 hours. We're here in Kahuna Beach Resort in La Union. Yay! Here, ang ganda. We'll give you a room tour in a bit.
San Juan! Today we're at the Great Northwest. What is that? Going to release baby sea turtles into the sea. Yay.
Yes, meron daw nag-land na 1 pawikan here last month. And then, ngayon lang nag-hatch yung mga babies niya. So, we are sending them to the ocean again. So, 96 hatchlings daw yung sa nest, but so far only 76 yung nandito tonight. Hello everyone! So, ngayon naglalakad kami sa shore of San Juan, La Union. Here, it's our second day here. We're leaving Kahuna today and we are transferring to a different hotel. Awesome hotel. So that's about 7 minutes drive from here. So we'll see if it really is awesome. But TBH, super ganda talaga ng Kahuna. Like, it is actually one of the best resorts here in La Union. It's super nice, super clean. It's very Bali-esque. Super recommend. And yung activities talaga dito nangyayari sa area na to. Malapit lang yung mga Flotsam, Jetsam, El Union, Beach Bum food parks, Northwest View Deck. So if you plan to come here in La Union, you better check out Kahuna because it really is the best. Bounce. 1, 2, 3.
Today we are surfing and now my sister is there. Yay! Good luck, ate. As you can see, it seems to be a big struggle.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg.